How to download Messenger app in laptop. Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video I will show you how can you download Messenger app on your Windows PC or laptop. So let's get started. First, you'll have to just open Microsoft Store on your PC or laptop. After you open Microsoft Store, at the top in the source field, search for Messenger. Alright, after you search for Messenger, at the first you can easily find the application Messenger. Simply from here, click on that, and from the section to install or download that Messenger application on your PC or laptop, click on Get. After you click on Get option, you'll be able to install that application on your PC or laptop. After the installation will be complete, this will automatically add it to your PC or laptop. So from here you can directly open that application on your PC or laptop. Hope you found this video helpful to you, and please don't forget to give a like and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more quick and short tutorial like this. Thank you for watching this. Have a nice day.